Hello everyone, this is my Grand Vitara Sigma variant. It's a base variant where you can see there is no wiper, and you can see the wheels are all normal steel wheel with wheel cap. And let me show you the interior. So these interiors I sourced locally. It's an interior upgrade. You can see the infotainment belongs to aftermarket, and you can see the display it belongs to base variant MID. And now I'm going to show you the steering wheel controls. Like, it belongs to Alpha variant, which is top end, and all these steering wheel controls are functionable. I am going to show you volume increase, sorry, volume decrease, volume increase. It's mute, unmute, and all these functions are working, you know. Let me reduce the volume first. And these controls I manually, you know, like I checked it for some different purposes. I altered it for my own use, and all these functions, left, right. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the important update. Let me put on the seat belt. Okay, now we can start. Okay, see guys, the good part here is, like, I was able to, you know, like, manage to activate the cruise control in my Grand Vitara. If you see, yes, the speed has been set to 47 kilometer. If you see, I can increase the speed or I can decrease the speed as well. And you can see guys, I'm not keeping my foot in accelerator. The vehicle is running anonymously in cruise control. Okay, so let me cancel it. Yes, I have cancelled the cruise control. Okay guys, now I'm going to tell you how I did that. You know, like, I'm a long-term follower of YouTube channel that is Automobile Daddy. I took his consultation and he helped me so much to, you know, like, get it done with these steering controls as well as with the cruise control installation. He is so helpful, and he followed me for 2 days to complete the setup. And he was very, you know, like, particular with the safety precautions, because I should not be damaging the ECU and all. And one more thing, these setups I cannot get it done in my own location. You know, I'm from Tamil Nadu, that is Maruti district. I think no one has ever did these alterations and cruise control activations in my location. So I took the help of Automobile Daddy. He helped me so much. And I recommend everyone to get the consultation from Automobile Daddy. He is such a genuine person. You can find, it's very rare to find nowadays. So please get the help and consultation from Automobile Daddy. If you want, you can buy all this setup from him as well. He will help you. So I recommend Automobile Daddy for everyone, and I wish their future endeavors to be all successful. And thanks to you, Automobile Daddy.